We're out in Park Farm South with Councillor Katrina talking to residents about local issues. What sort of things have residents been talking about this morning, Kat?
So on Park Farm, there's a lot of bends. We've got a lot of roads, and between those roads, we have a lot of vegetation. There's some really mature sort of shrubberies that we have there. Unfortunately, because of funding, it means that it can only be cut back once. And if there's time, it might get cut back again at the latter end of the year. But between those times, on blind bends, it becomes a bit of an issue. So there are some areas in Park Farm South that I'm having to correspond with Aspire on to see whether there's an alternative to having the shrubbery there. I've seen that on Sheepfold Lane, they've also had shrubbery taken up and there's been turf laid, and it has worked really well for the residents over there. So that's one of the main issues that we've got, and that'd be something that I'll be chasing up for them. Hello, I'm at Primrose Drive Pond, which is in Park Farm South, and over here I've been doing quite a lot of casework with residents. Residents have been really upset because we've had a lot of illegal fishing going on. They've been cross-passing over this part of the fence and fishing in the pond, and also leaving a lot of debris and left litter behind. So I have met with Aspire twice at this pond. Aspire contacted Suez. Suez came out and actually took some of the litter away from the pond, so it's looking a lot more better now. But in the end of the year, Aspire have actually got a date set to come with a little small boat and try and get some of the vegetation out of the pond to actually make it a little bit more habitable for all the fish and for all the other pond life that we have here. Down there.
Deep in the undergrowth, that's Councillor Katrina.
Oh. There's ski. There's there's broken glass and all sorts back there.